Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change and manage the Color Booster Pro in your Samsung Smart Reader. At first we need to go to the letter where all our widgets are, and here we have widgets, actually settings, and here we have to go to settings. Here we have to go to all settings, and here we have to go to the picture. Here we have to scroll down to the expert settings, and here we have to scroll down till we find our option Color Booster Pro. We have to click that, and here we have off, low or high. What it does is uses AI to adjust color intensity for each scene, optimizing performance based on its color levels. This option is only available when our source is set to PC. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.